Subscribe and press the bell icon to get notified for the latest tech videos.
Hey, what's up YouTube, this is Wasay here, and today in this video I am going to show you how you can change the different quality level or video quality levels on your Sony Alpha a6400 mirrorless camera. So let's start the video. So here currently you can see that I have set it to 24 pixel and it is recording at 1080p, so where video quality is 1080p at 24 fps and the shutter speed is around 1/50. So let me show you how you can change the video quality. Like if you want to record 4K on your Sony a6400, first of all you're going to press on the menu button. Here you're going to go to the second tab, so I'm just going to go to the second one. Now here it says movie one. I'm going to go down where it says file format, so I'm going to press on enter. So if you want to record 4K video, then you're going to select the upper one where it says XAVCS 4K if you want to record 4K video. But if you want to record 1080p HD videos, then you're going to select XAVC HD. So first of all I'm going to select the 4K settings, and now here you can see the recording settings will change automatically. So if I press on enter on this, I can record 4K at 24 fps and at 30 fps. So the a6400 records at 30 fps 4K. So I'm going to go back, and if I want to record at 1080p, again I'm going to go to file format. I'm going to select XAVCS HD, and now in the record settings you can see you have a lot of options. So you can record 120p slow motion video as well. You can record 1080p video at 24 fps, 30 fps and 60 fps as well. Again, the higher the number on the right side, the better the quality you will get. So let's suppose I want to record at 60 fps, so I'm going to select 60p. I'm going to press on enter, and now again I'm going to go to menu. So you can see that it has selected 60p, but once you select 60p you need to change the shutter speed as well, which is here you can see on the bottom. So it says 1/50. So your shutter speed should be double of your frames. So if I'm recording at 60 fps, then my shutter speed should be 1/120. So in order to change the shutter speed, it's very simple. All you have to do is to move this dial. Here you can see different settings. So we have set it to 60 fps, so the double of 60 is 120. So the closest value is 125. So now we can record at 1080p video at 60 fps without any quality loss or any other thing like that. So in this way you can record at 24 frames per second as well, or even at 4K at 30 fps. So guys, if you like this video, please give this video a thumbs up. If you have any kind of questions regarding this video, write them in the comment section below, and if you find this video helpful, make sure to subscribe to my channel. I have also made a video on how you can change the aperture on your Sony a6400 as well. If you want to watch that video, the link of that video will be in the description as well. Other than that, thank you for watching and stay safe.